Personal Injury Lawyers Vancouver. 6 key questions to ask. While it is wise to schedule a free consultation with one of the many personal injury lawyers Vancouver can offer, immediately after seeking proper medical attention, and before you make any statements to ICBC, choosing the right lawyer is a critical decision that is best not rushed. Here are 6 questions to ask a Vancouver personal injury lawyer you found on an internet search for Personal Injury Lawyers Vancouver, or by flipping open a phone book, before you agree to meet for a case evaluation. 1. Have you dealt with personal injury cases like mine? It is to your advantage to choose a personal injury lawyer who has experience representing clients who have been in a similar type of accident and sustained a similar injury as you have. For example, if you suffered whiplash after being rear-ended while driving, find a personal injury lawyer in Vancouver who specializes in whiplash cases. 2. Have you handled major claims? A personal injury lawyer in Vancouver who has successfully dealt with major claims, such as those involving spinal cord injury, paraplegia, quadriplegia, amputations, brain injury, or wrongful death, probably has a higher level of experience and expertise to offer you than an attorney who hasn't. 3. Do I pay you if you don't collect? Most personal injury lawyers Vancouver, BC locals have to choose from offer a "if you don't get paid, you don't pay us" policy. What this means is that your lawyer only collects their fee, a percentage of damages recovered, once they have collected compensation for you, and that they also advance the cost of any disbursements, expenses incurred as a result of working the claim. 4. Does your fee stay the same if my case goes to court? Some personal injury lawyers in Vancouver have a sliding fee structure that guarantees their fee increases if your case goes to court. It stands to reason that a lawyer who will be receiving the same fee, whether they collect through a settlement or a trial, will be more inclined to fight for a satisfactory settlement. 5. Have you ever been on ICBC's side? If a Vancouver personal injury lawyer has been employed by ICBC, their ability to represent personal injury claimants is compromised. This is because they must have agreed in writing to not take bad faith cases against ICBC. If you hire a lawyer who has worked for ICBC, and ICBC were to not agree to compensate you fairly, this lawyer would not be able to take them to court. 6. Is your practice licensed in the province of BC? BC has a unique set of insurance regulations that are significantly different from those of most other provinces. If your personal injury lawyer has an office in another province, while they may be legally permitted to practice law in BC, it is a good idea to find out if they are licensed to. While it may be inconvenient to quiz a personal injury lawyer in Vancouver with questions like these, doing so will help you find a lawyer that is perfectly suited to assess your legal situation and swiftly execute an appropriate course of legal action if you so choose. Of course, the only way to know for sure that you have chosen the best of all personal injury lawyers Vancouver has to offer for your unique circumstances is to sit down with one and make sure you like and trust them.